Hey guys, I got this 2001 Camaro ignition key won't start. So I actually bought this ignition switch here. It wasn't it, so I returned that, got my money back, went to the junkyard. I said, you know what, I'm gonna need the whole steering column. Why? Because mine is, I thought it was messed up. Well, unfortunately, I couldn't find one. I saw a bunch of them, and I just kind of started collecting some information from them. They all had their steering wheel missing. Most of the plastics were gone. So there was actually nothing I can purchase there and say, you know what, I'm gonna go and just fix it and switch it out and bingo. But this car has two of those bars there. Got that first one here I'm touching here, that is for the ignition. So if this doesn't move, your car ain't gonna start, and what moves it is within the steering column. You got this other one here, that's for the high beam, so just so you can know, this is a high beam, this is for your ignition. Now what I did is, well, as you can see, I kind of broke this because I honestly didn't, I'm tired of this car. I honestly didn't want to take out the whole steering column and then do a bench test on it. So I'm actually going to show you mechanics here. So right now the car is on. And these cars, if you start it up again, the starter's not going to kick in. It's got a safe mode on it. So I'm actually going to start it up again. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. So you can see the car didn't, the starter didn't kick in, but the car is on. Now I'm actually going to turn the car off. So you can see that. I'm going to turn it back on. So the little keys, I'm moving the key here and moves that. So I actually turn it back on, start it up, and there we go. So this is pretty cool. I actually found this out, but it's not really what I intended to do, was break it, but oh well, it's a 2001, it's an old model, it's a V6, I don't really mind having this broken. If you guys have any other ways to kind of get to that part there, feel free to look around. But how I fixed it, show you here. Let's see if I can unhook it again. That way you guys can see what I'm talking about. Hold on here, I'm just trying to unhook it. Okay, there you go. My issue when I got stranded, I was just like, whoa, it doesn't even bounce back. It's just all the way forward, all the way back, nothing. So I was like, you know what, my ignition shit was messed up. At the end, it was that little sucker right there. That little sucker there, as you can see, it's not hooked on, so I'm gonna start it up. As you can see, that first pin moves, but it doesn't quite catch it. Looks like it kind of slipped off when it broke. Well, it's a pretty old car. What I did to kind of fix that, I kind of added a little screwdriver here and just kind of bend it outwards just a little bit. And don't do it too hard, because then you might break it and you're in big trouble. You kind of push it out a little bit. And there we go. And then we can get a good video here, guys. So it's a pretty good shot there. So I'm actually gonna feed this inward from the back. Can do this also. And let the he come out, so I'm already halfway there, and I hooked it on there. There we go. Hooked it back on. Start the car up. There we go. Bingo. So that's just a good thing to know. And also, I've seen a lot of videos out there. Not many people show exactly that part. It's actually my first YouTube video, you know, so I just really wanted to let everybody know, how to get this repaired in case your ignition didn't remind you to kind of, just went all the way to the front and then didn't kick back and reverse it to you. So good luck, guys. Hopefully this helps out. Thank you.